The Harappan civilization was discovered in the year A. 1901, B. 1921, C. 1935, D. 1942. The correct answer is option B. 1921. The next question is, Lothal is a site where dockyards of which civilization were found? A. Indus Valley, B. Mesopotamia, C. Egyptian, D. Persian. The correct answer is option A. Indus Valley. The next question is, the Indus Valley people traded with the A. Chinese, B. Mesopotamians, C. Parthians, D. Romans. The correct answer is option B. Mesopotamians. The next question is, the Indus Valley civilization usually built their houses of A. Pakka bricks, B. Stone, C. Wood, D. All of these. The correct answer is option A. Pakka bricks. The next question is, the local name Mohenjo-daro is A. Mound of the Living, B. Mound of the Great, C. Mound of the Dead, D. Mound of the Survivor. The correct answer is option C. Mound of the Dead. The next question is, the Indus Valley civilization specialized in A. Town planning, B. Architecture, C. Craftsmanship, D. All of these. The correct answer is option A. Town planning. The next question is, the earliest city discovered in India was A. Harappa, B. Rangpur, C. Mohenjo-daro, D. Sindh. The correct answer is option A. Harappa. The next question is, where did the traveller Ibn Battuta come from? A. Morocco, B. Persia, C. Turkey, D. Central Asia. The correct answer is option A. Morocco. The next question is, Muhammad bin Tughlaq was proficient in A. Art, B. Music, C. Calligraphy, D. Philosophy. The correct answer is option C. Calligraphy. The next question is, the Khalji Sultans of Delhi were A. Mongols, B. Afghans, C. Turks, D. a Jat tribe. The correct answer is option C. Turks. The next question is, Ibn Battuta visited India during the reign of A. Iltutmish, B. Alauddin Khalji, C. Balban, D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The correct answer is option D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The next question is, the Qutub Minar was completed by the famous ruler A. Qutubuddin Aibak, B. Iltutmish, C. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, D. Alauddin Khalji. The correct answer is option B. Iltutmish. The next question is, the Lodi dynasty was founded by A. Ibrahim Lodi, B. Sikandar Lodi, C. Bahlol Lodi, D. Khizr Khan. The correct answer is option C. Bahlol Lodi. The next question is, who was the first European to designate Aryan as a race? A. William Jones, B. H.H. Wilson, C. Max Muller, D. General Cunningham. The correct answer is C. Max Muller. The next question is, the staple food of the Vedic Aryan was A. barley and rice, B. milk and its products, C. rice and pulses, D. vegetables and fruits. The correct answer is option B. milk and its products. The next question is, the Battle of Mahabharata is believed to have been fought at Kurukshetra for A. 14 days, B. 16 days, C. 18 days, D. 20 days. The correct answer is option C. 18 days. The next question is, who among the following wrote Sanskrit grammar? A. Kalidas, B. Charaka, C. Panini, D. Aryabhatta. The correct answer is option C. Panini. The next question is, which river has no mention in Rig Veda? A. Sindhu, B. Saraswati, C. Yamuna, D. Periyar. The correct answer is option D. Periyar. The next question is, in which language was the Srimad Bhagavad Gita originally written? A. Sanskrit, B. Abramasa, C. Prakrit, D. Pali. The correct answer is option A. Sanskrit. The next question is, Purushukta is founded in the A. Bhagavad Gita, B. Rig Veda, C. Manusmriti, D. Atharvaveda. The correct answer is option B. Rig Veda. The next question is, the hymns of Rig Veda are the work of A. One author, B. Four author, C. Seven author, D. Many author. The correct answer is option D. Many author. The next question is, the god who is the most prominent in Rig Veda is A. Indra, B. Agni, C. Pasupati, D. Vishnu. The correct answer is option A. Indra. The next question is, Ashtadhyayi was written by A. Vedvyas, B. Panini, C. Shakudeva, D. Valmiki. The correct answer is option B. Panini. The next question is, who composed the Gayatri Mantra? A. Vishwamitra, B. Vasishtha, C. Indra, D. Parikshit. The correct answer is option A. Vishwamitra. The next question is, the Indian king who opposed Alexander was A. Ambi, B. Porus, C. Dhanananda, D. Chandragupta. The correct answer is option B. Porus. The next question is, the ancient name of North Bihar was A. Vaji, B. Vatsa, C. Surasena, D. Avanti. The correct answer is option A. Vaji. The next question is, in ancient India, the earliest capital of Magadha kingdom was at A. Patliputra, B. Rajgir, C. Vaishali, D. Varanasi. The correct answer is option B. Rajgir. The next question is, when Alexander invaded India, who were the rulers of Magad? A. Haryankans, B. Shishunagas, C. Nandas, D. Mauryas. The correct answer is option C. Nandas. The next question is, which was the first capital of Magad? A. Patliputra, B. Vaishali, C. Girvarja Rajgriha, D. Champa. The correct answer is option C. Girvarja Rajgriha. The next question is, who founded Patliputra? A. Uddain, B. Ashoka, C. Bimbisar, D. Mahapadmananda. The correct answer is option A. Uddain. The next question is, who was the founder of Nanda dynasty? A. Bimbisara, C. Mahapadmananda, C. Ajatasattu, D. Dhanananda. The correct answer is option B. Mahapadmananda. The next question is, where did Lord Buddha breathe his last Mahaparinirvan? A. Rajgir, B. Bodh Gaya, C. Sarnath, C. Kushinagar. The correct answer is option D. Kushinagar. The next question is, which among the following is the sacred book of the Buddhists? A. Upanishad, B. Veda, C. Tripitaka, D. Agams. The correct answer is option C. Tripitaka. The next question is, name the clan Buddha belonged to. A. Gnatrika, B. Maurya, C. Sakya, D. Kuru? The correct answer is option C. Sakya. The next question is, in which state was the Nalanda University located in India? A. Bengal, B. Bihar, C. Odisha, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option B. Bihar. The next question is, Mahavira was born in 6th century BC at A. Vaishali, B. Magad, C. Sarnath, D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Vaishali. The next question is, the religious literature of the Jains at the early stage was written in A. Ardhmagadi, B. Pali, C. Sanskrit, D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Ardhamagadi. The next question is, which of the following places is associated with Jainism? A. Kapilvastu, B. Pava, C. Prayag, D. Shravasti. The correct answer is option B. Pava. The next question is, which state is called the cradle of Buddhism? A. Sikkim, B. Bihar, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. The next question is, Gandhara School of Art came into existence in A. Hinayana sect, B. Mahayana sect, C. Vaishnava sect, D. Shaiva sect. The correct answer is option B. Mahayana sect. The next question is, who was the author of Buddha Charita? A. Ashvaghosha, B. Nagasena, C. Nagarjuna, D. Vasumitra. The correct answer is option A. Ashvaghosha. The next question is, who is also known as Niganta Nataputra? A. Vardhamana Mahavira, B. Gautam Buddha, C. Nagarjuna, D. Shankaracharya. The correct answer is option A. Vardhamana Mahavira. The next question is, where was the third Buddhist council held? A. Vatsa, B. Patliputra, C. Koshambi, D. Kashmir. The correct answer is option B. Patliputra.